everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook application on your device. Now first of all, let me give you a brief description about what Facebook actually is. So Facebook is a social networking site that makes it easy for you to connect and share with friends and family online. Now I'll go step by step on showing you how to use Facebook application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions carefully. Now the most important thing is you must be connected to a good internet service or a Wi-Fi connection. Now let us get started. Now in order to log in or sign up, you must head over towards your web browser, and right on top there is a search bar, so you need to enter the link. So the link is www.facebook.com, and don't worry about the link, I will leave it on the description box as well. So now on the other page you will land inside sign up or in login page of Facebook. Now if you already have an account on Facebook, so you need to enter your email address or phone number and password in order to log in. And if you don't have an account on Facebook, so tap on create new account, which is right in the bottom. Now as soon as I tap on create new account, there is a pop-up window right in center, and there you can see it's sign up. So under sign up you have your first name, so you need to enter your first name and your last name. So now enter the correct username. Now on the second step there is your phone number and your email address. So from here you can either enter your mobile number or your email address, whichever is convenient to you. Now for instance, I will go with my email address. Now once again you need to re-enter your email address in order to confirm your identity. So the next process is you need to create a new password. So now create a strong and a new password, and do not use a variation of any other password that you have already used it. So once you're done entering your password, so down there you have birth date. So in order to create a Facebook account, you must at least be 18 or above 18 years. So now enter the birth date. So as you're done entering your birth date, so on the last step there is gender, so you need to select your gender. The final step, that is tap on sign up, which is right in the bottom. So now on the other page there is enter the code from your email. So now the verification code will be sent to your email address or your phone number. So as I've used my email address, so the verification code will be sent through my email. And here as you can see that I've received my email, and right on the bottom down there you can see there is a verification code. Now you need to copy this. Now enter the verification code, and in case if you don't receive a verification code, so then tap on send email again, which is right in the bottom. And as you can see that I've received my verification code. Moving on, so tap on continue, which is right in the bottom on the right hand side corner. And once again there is a pop-up window that says account confirmed. So you have successfully confirmed your account with email address. So then tap on OK. And here you can see that my account has been created. And the next step is, now in case you want to add or share photos and videos with your friends, so you need to tap on photos and videos, which is right in the center. Here you can see. So just tap on it. And once again there is another pop-up window. So in order to add photos, you need to select it. Right in the center there you have add photos/video. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, on the upper left corner there is a dialog box. So from here you need to select your particular picture or an image that you want to share it with your friends or a family. So then tap on the image, and here you can see that the image has been selected. And in case if you want to share something about this image, so just tap on what's on your mind. So just tap on it, and now you get to write anything about the image. And once you're done entering your caption, so right in the bottom on the second last option there you have add to your post, and under this you have different icons. So from here the first icon is photos/video. Now in case if you want to add more pictures and videos, so just tap on it and you'll have to select image that you want to share it. And on the other side there is tag people. Now in case if you want to tag your friends and family along with the picture, so just tap on tag picture and you'll be able to tag people with this. So now on the third icon there is smiley icon or a feeling/activity icon. Or if you tap on it, you can share your feelings and activities with your friends and family as well. Now on the fourth icon there is your location. Now in case if you want to share your location with your friends and family, you can do that as well. And these are all the basic guide for the beginner. So now in case if you want to share this picture or in videos with your friends, so just tap on post. Now here you can see that my post has been shared. So the next step is finding a friend. Now in order to find a friend or send a friend request or receive friend request, all you have to do is on the same page move towards your top, and right on top on the second step there you have an icon. So you need to tap on the icon, so just tap on it. And down there as you can see that I've received 2 friend requests. Now in order to confirm, and in case if you know them and if you want to be friends with them, so just tap on confirm, which is right in the bottom. And in case if you don't know them and you don't want to receive any friend requests from them, so just tap on delete, which is right in the bottom. So here you can see that one of these friend requests has been accepted and the other one has been deleted. Now in order to send friend request, all you have to do is tap on add friend, which is right here. So if you're sure about sending friend request to this particular person, just tap on add friend. And here you can see that your request has been sent, and now all you have to do is wait patiently for them to accept your friend request so that you can be friends on Facebook. So the next step is your notification. Now in case if you have received any notification on Facebook, all your notification from Facebook will be gathered on your notification bar, which is right on top on the right hand side corner. There is a bell icon, so just tap on the bell icon. And as you tap on the bell icon, there you can see all your activities and all your notification will be stored here. Now from here you can check what happened earlier or who sent you a friend request or when that particular person had sent you a friend request or the activities of other people. So the next is checking your profile information or your activities. Now in order to do that, you have to move towards your upper right corner, and right on top there you can see a user ID. Just tap on it. So as soon as you tap on your user ID, now on the other page you will be able to see all your profile information. Now in order to see your activities or your profile information, all you have to do is scroll down. So another most important step is sending a message or receiving a message. So in order to do that, all you have to do is move towards your upper right corner, and right on top there you can see a circle icon, which is also known as messenger. So just tap on it. So as soon as I tap on the messenger, here you can see there is chat. So from here you can see if anybody has messaged you or not, and then here you can see that I've received message. And now in order to send a reply, all I have to do is tap right in the bottom and then type a message. And in order to send it, all you have to do is tap on the arrow icon, which is right in the corner. And here you can see that my message has been sent. So next is in case if you want to make call, so all you have to do is move towards your top, and right on top there is a call icon. So just tap on the call icon. And in case if you want to make video call, so just tap on the next icon, which is on the second step right here. So just tap on it and you'll be able to video chat with the person. Now this is all the basic guide that you need for a beginner. So that is all for this video. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.